Hello everyone, and welcome to our simple guide on getting started with the stock market. This guide is designed with beginners in mind, so fear not. We'll make it as simple as possible. Our goal is to demystify the stock market, breaking down its complex jargon into digestible bits. We'll be explaining what a stock market is, defining key terms, discussing why people invest, and offering practical tips. You won't need any prior knowledge, just an open mind. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey into the world of stocks and trades. First things first, let's understand what a stock market actually is. The stock market, in its simplest form, is a marketplace. But instead of buying and selling goods, we're dealing with shares of publicly traded companies. Imagine it as a big, bustling bazaar where financial transactions are happening at a rapid pace. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are these shares? Well, when you buy a share, you're essentially buying a piece of a company. You become a shareholder, owning a fraction of that company's assets and earnings. This is where brokers come into play. Brokers are like your personal shoppers in this financial bazaar. They buy and sell shares on your behalf. These transactions happen on exchanges. Exchanges are platforms where these financial transactions take place. Some of the most well-known exchanges include the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ. You may have also heard of terms like Dow Jones or S&P 500. These are known as market indices. They serve as thermometers for the stock market, giving you a general idea of its health. But how do we decide the price of a share? It's a classic case of supply and demand. If more people want a share, demand, than what's available, supply, the price goes up. If fewer people want it, the price goes down. Now that we've got the basics down, let's move on to why people invest in the stock market. Why do people invest in the stock market? That's a question we often hear. Well, it's all about building wealth. Stocks represent a slice of a company. When the company thrives, so does your investment. Over time, this can lead to substantial capital appreciation, and that's a big draw for many. Then, there's the allure of dividends. Some companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. It's like getting a regular income just for owning a piece of the company. But let's not forget, investing in stocks isn't a guaranteed route to riches. The stock market can be volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate wildly, and there's always the potential for financial loss. It's important to remember that every investment carries some degree of risk. Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding but risky venture. So let's look at some tips for beginners. For those of you who are ready to dive into the world of investing, here are some practical tips. First off, consider creating a diversified portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different types of stocks. It's like putting your eggs in different baskets. So if one basket falls, not all eggs will break. It's a strategy to mitigate risk and increase the potential for returns. Staying informed about market trends is another crucial aspect. Keep an eye on economic news, company updates, and market analyses. They're like your weather forecasts, helping you anticipate market movements and make informed decisions. Patience is another virtue in investing. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more like a marathon, where long-term investments often yield better returns than short-term trades. So, instead of trying to time the market, focus on time in the market. Lastly, never underestimate the power of knowledge. Continually educate yourself about different investment strategies, financial instruments, and market dynamics. There's always something new to learn in the ever-evolving world of stock market investing. And don't forget, it's okay to seek advice from financial professionals. They can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complex world of investing, especially in the beginning stages. Remember, the key to successful investing lies in research, patience, and diversification. And that wraps up our simple guide to getting started with the stock market. We've covered the fundamentals, key terms, the reasons to invest, and tips for diversifying your portfolio and staying informed. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. It's important to continue learning, and when necessary, seek advice from financial professionals. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to continue learning about the stock market. Thank you for watching.